Alright, welcome back to another episode of the Dirt series. This is detailing in real time, working on another part of this track prepared Mustang. We will be cleaning the door jambs with a pressure washer. Y'all don't freak out. This is more normal than you think. The only thing you got to remember about cleaning your door jambs with a pressure washer is not to be an ass about it. It's quite alright. I promise. It'll be just fine. But these door jambs are pretty bad. So, I'm going to watch. I'm going to show you a little technique here. Don't spray into the damn car like an idiot. Start the pressure washer. So it's basically start the pressure, spray down, not in. So it was only a little bit of mist that got inside, which is very easily correctable. But if y'all can see, this is bad. So we're going to use my friend degreaser here, and we are going to do this the easy way. So we'll just let that set up for a second. Spray under here. Alright, we need to get the tip of this thing a little bit moist. Alright. Degreaser has had a little bit of time to kind of set up and start doing its work. We just preload the brush a little bit, no big deal. And then it's time to get to work. So all we want to do is just take as much of this junk off as we can. Just got to agitate it a little bit. This is it's a bit of a rougher brush because it is boar's hair, but it works just fine. I'm not really doing any kind of damage or anything to this finish that's not already there, just because it is not really a daily driver or anything like that. It is a track prep Mustang. It does get its ass kicked. All I'm trying to do is just make it better. So down here along the bottom, y'all can really see this yet, but it's getting some stuff out. And then of course up here, sorry, I've got y'all at a weird angle. And we're going to be watching this complaining, again, you're in such a weird angle. Yeah, like the camera's attached to my head, man. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so I think I could do a little better here. Y'all can see that guy. Ew. That is just nasty. I think we'll get most of this in the wash though, just because that's on the leading edge of the paint, so it's technically exposed. So we'll get this chair out of the way, set that up there, and again, don't be an ass about it. Start the pressure washer, spray down, not in. Y'all internet people tend to freak out when you see anybody pressure washing a door jamb, but this is normal. thing that we did on this one was the door panel itself got a little bit wet. Again, it's gonna happen, man. So what do you do when the door panel gets wet? You dry it. What the hell? This ain't rocket science. Alright, so this is normal where we get the water in. This will all get cleaned out when the car gets inside. That's it. Y'all get all the way up out of my face about cleaning door jambs. I'm out. Oh crap, hey, hang on. You see nothing, you see... Oh, that's gross. That's not even nasty. Okay, get out of my face. I'm out.